everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a buy or buy video, and let's talk about some of the new collections and pieces that are launching in the makeup industry. So as per usual, I am on Trim Mood's page, but I also will check other sources for new products. So I'll go on Nordstrom's website, I'll go on Bloomingdale's, I'll go on Sephora's app just to see if I see anything else that's launched. But pretty much, let's talk about whether or not I'm going to be buying it or saying bye to it. So first things first, let's talk about Charlotte Tilbury's new foundation, which is called the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. And you all already know I bought this and I actually have it right now. I am going to be doing a wear test, a demo, and a review on it. I just have to open up the package and kind of unpack some of these videos that I have to do, but that's coming soon, like ASAP. So you don't have to worry about that, especially if you're like, oh my gosh, should I get this foundation or not? I'll make sure to let you know sooner than later. Next, another product that you never have to question or ask me about. It's a buy, always. It is the new Pat McGrath Midnight Sun eyeshadow palette. It's a large Pat McGrath palette, so she was getting my coins at the door, but I have to have each one that she launches, and this one is no exception. So as soon as we get a launch date, I'm going to be buying it and expediting it because I need mine ASAP. Next, we have the Colored Rain X Power collection, and what do you all think about it? I'm gonna go ahead and buy it because number one, I love Colored Rain's eyeshadow formula. I think that they could do no wrong with their eyeshadow formula. I would love to see Colored Rain expand into stores because their formula is so bomb. Like, it is killing so many other brands that you all use. So if you have not tried anything from them and you don't want to get this collection, that's fine, but try something from their brand, namely those eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, those vivid pigments, oh, gorgeous. But I'm buying this collection, not every single piece, but I'm buying a good amount of it, and I'm going to do a video for you all. So as soon as it comes to my doorstep. And are you all excited about Power coming back on and it being the last season? If you all are Power fans, raise your hand, let me know. So next, MAC is coming out with a new collaboration with somebody called Pony's Makeup. I've not heard of this individual, but it is not unlike MAC to go out and collaborate with people who are global. So sometimes they collaborate with celebrities that are famous in other countries, and I've never heard of them. So I think that this might be the case, and I'm looking at the products here and I'm not seeing anything that just immediately draws me in. Plus, I don't know the person that they're collaborating with, so bye. Next, we have Lime Crime, and they are launching a new eyeshadow palette. Now, I have not bought or used anything from Lime Crime in years at this point, but I do know that Lime Crime is now sold at Ulta as well as other reputable retailers. Plus, the person that was causing all of this chaos is no longer involved directly with the company. So let me know what you all think about Lime Crime. Are you willing to give them another chance? Like, what do you think about the company overall? Would you buy it? This eyeshadow palette looks really pretty. It's a cool toned eyeshadow palette, but it's one of those cool toned eyeshadow palettes that I feel like I can really vibe with because it has shades that I think will look pretty on my complexion. Sometimes cool toned palettes just look too gray and too dull and too blah on me, but this one looks like it might just pop. It is called the Venus Immortalis palette, so let me know your thoughts on it. I can buy it or buy it if you all want to see it, or if you're like, girl, no Lime Crime ever, let me know that too. Colorpop is coming out with a new collection, and it is called the Big Old Peach collection. I hope that they are cutting Megan Thee Stallion a check because... But anywho, it is a peachy collection. This palette looks pretty. The eyeshadow palette does. It has colors that I would definitely wear. But since I'm kind of transitioning into fall colors and fall collections and things of that sort, I'm going to say bye to this collection. I would have liked this probably in May, you know, to kind of jumpstart and get us interested in the summer season. But right now, it kind of feels off season for me, even though we're still in the summertime, but I just am ready for the darker colors. I've done the summer thing and I'm kind of off that right now, and as a result of that, I'm gonna say bye to this collection because the colors are too light, too airy, too springish. Next, Benefit is launching their two highlighters that were in their palettes that they launched that I absolutely adore as single highlighters. And this is the Cookie highlighter, which I adore and I'm happy about, as well as the highlighter in the color Tickle, which I also like that one. But believe it or not, even though Cookie looks very, very light on me, it is beautiful. It does not look too icy, too silvery. It is a beautiful champagne-ish, very light highlight, and it has this wet-like effect. It can work for so many different complexions, so I love that that highlight. So I'm not going to be buying it right now, but when I run out of it in my big palette that I purchased, I'm gonna have to buy it again just because it's so breathtaking. So your girl Huda Beauty is coming out with a lot of different products, and the first thing being a makeup remover balm. No, not buying that. And the next thing that she's coming out is with a new pair of lashes. Buy. And the last thing that she's coming out with is a dual-ended eyeliner in black matte. I don't know. That's like whatever. I would buy that if I swatched it and I felt like it was a nice enough eyeliner. I like the convenience of it because it has a pencil on one end and it has the liquid eyeliner on the other end. So I'm not opposed to that. But as far as mediocrity, if I swatch it and it's kind of black, it's kind of matte, it's just so I can say bye to it. So all of that is pending on how the formulation works when I play with it in the store. Next, our girl Briana is coming out with some new matchsticks for Fenty Beauty, and I'm gonna say bye to these simply because I still have all of my original matchsticks that I bought whenever she first launched Fenty Beauty in their packages in my storage room, unused except for the one time I think I used them for a video. So that's not a product that I really reach for, and that's because I feel like matchsticks, they are decent products, but I do feel like they're a little bit drier, and that's just not something that I readily think about when I want to use a cream product. So no. And I'm not inserting a picture, so you'll have to look it up because Fenty Beauty likes to snatch people's accounts for using their imagery. So next, Too Faced is coming out with a new eyeshadow palette, and this one is called the Gingerbread Extra Spicy Palette. It is a neutrally warm eyeshadow palette. Honestly, even though we have colors like this in our collection already, you guys always watch my Too Faced videos, so I definitely am going to be buying it. And you all also know I'm on Too Faced's PR list, and so they don't send me everything, but they do send me a good amount of things. So if they send me this palette, I'll definitely do a video on it as soon as I get it. Next, Noirvina is dropping an eyeshadow palette, and this one is called the Noirvina Collection. This is her second eyeshadow palette that she's launched within her own brand. I know it's not her brand, but it's her brand. Like, if my mama had a brand, it'd be like, that's our brand, girl. This eyeshadow palette looks really beautiful. I've already technically purchased it because it was on Bloomingdale's website, and before it got taken off of their website, I did place an order for it, so I don't know if they're going to be sending that out this week, but as soon as I get it, I already bought it, so I'll do a video for you guys. So Garlock has come out with a new setting spray, and for years, everybody thought that their primer, and I don't know how to correctly pronounce it, their primer that has the gold flecks in it, everybody thought that was a spray for the longest time. And so other companies have come out with sprays that kind of looks like that, like the Farsali Gold Mist. It looks like the Garlock primer. So they've actually come out with their own spray. It is actually a mist, but it doesn't have the gold flecks in it. Like, that's what made it look cool. Honestly, I would try this. Because there's so many other things coming out right now, I don't think that I need it right this second. But eventually, I do think that I do want to buy this and try it out. Fenty Beauty, She Don't Sleep. They're coming out with a new eyebrow pencil. This one is called the Brow MVP Eyebrow Pencil. I'm going to buy this. Again, I'm not going to insert a picture. She's not snatching my account. I need my account. I've worked hard for this account. Your girl Kat Von D is coming out with a new foundation, and I have not used any Kat Von D on my channel in I don't know how long. It's a buy for me, but I just am curious. How many of you all are going to go out and purchase this foundation? It says that it is a lightweight foundation. It's called the True Portrait Lightweight Medium Foundation. It says that it has a powdery formula that sets to an airy matte finish, and it is an exclusive elastic essence effect to flex with all of your expressions in 40 shades. So let me know what you all think about this. I think that it looks cool, but at this point I'm like, meh, whatever, it's whatever. So Beauty Bakery has come out with a new foundation and a new concealer, and this is called the Instant Bake Aqua Glass Foundation and Instant Bake 3-in-1 Concealer. I bought this. It has been foundation mania. I have purchased almost every new foundation that has come out in the last like month or two, so I went ahead and bought that one. And you all already know I'm going to do a ranking video and talk about what I think about each one and where it falls in my list. Shiseido has come out with a new foundation. Like I said, everybody has a new foundation. So it is called the Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation, and there's also an accompanying concealer. So I'm on the fence about this. If you all would like to see me do a review on this, I don't think that I could get that review up this week. If you all want to see it, I can make it happen possibly, but if not, I could skip her. Too Faced is coming out with another eyeshadow palette. This one is called the Palm Springs Dreams palette. It looks like a little palette that you would take with you when you're traveling, and it has like fun colors. It has a few colors to do transitions. It has colors to deepen out your outer V, a few pops of colors. I think I want to buy this. It looks pretty. So next, Urban Decay is still going strong with the Naked palettes. They are coming out with the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. No. So Marc Jacobs has come out with their new holiday collection, and I think that I am saying bye to this. Mel actually did a review on it. From her video, I looked at the colors of the sequins, which is what excited me the most, simply because I have loved the sequins for the past few years, and this year I was not really impressed with the color story that they selected for this collection. So it doesn't really look like it would look good on my complexion, and the colors kind of look too dull. So next we have the Kevyn Aucoin Foundation Balm, and I already bought this. Again, I have so many videos to do that the stuff is just, like, it's just piling up on me, like it's piling. So as soon as I get to that, then I'll definitely do a review for you guys. Next, a brand called Kaleidos Makeup sent me some eyeshadow palettes. So I did not buy those, but I have them, and I would have purchased them because these eyeshadows are bizarre. But like I said, I do have a lot of content filmed and prepared that I have to edit and get up to you guys. So we'll talk about like the order and stuff that you guys want to see videos, but definitely know that I love the brand and I have the palettes. So I have that video coming soon. Tasha has come out with the new eye cream. I talked about that very briefly in my Sephora recommendations video that I just posted. And this one is called the Silk Peony eye cream. And oh my gosh, I want to buy it so bad. I'm just trying to practice restraint right this second because I have so many eye creams already open. So I want to use at least one of those up because I cannot have 4 eye creams just open. Like, that is ridiculous. So as soon as I finish one of them, I'm going to purchase this one. It Cosmetics has this cute mascara. It is called the Lash Blowout Mascara, and I think the packaging of it looks super, super cute. The packaging of this mascara actually reminds me of the packaging that the Dry Bar uses, which is a hair brand. They make hair products and they make like hair accessories like clips and stuff like that. So this really reminds me of that because it's that gray and yellow. I love the way that this mascara looks. It looks so cute. It looks like it's gonna give your lashes some length and, you know, make them curly. So based on that alone, I really want to try that. So Stila has come out with a new foundation that I was kind of going back and forth about. I'm like, do you all want to see a video on that? It is called the Hide and Chic Fluid Foundation. You have to shake it up to activate it. I couldn't really pick a color online, so I've been holding off on purchasing it. And my Ulta has had the display for it for about 2 weeks now, but they don't have the products there. And every time I keep stopping in, I'm like, do you all have that foundation? They're like, no, but we're getting it soon. Or they're like, no, we don't carry that. I'm like, the display's over there though. Like, if you all would like to see me do a review on that, I can make it happen. But again, there's so much stuff coming out, and I have so many videos already that if it's not a priority for you, then it's not a priority for me. So let me know. So there's this brand that has launched on Sephora's website, and I'm not sure how new the products are, but it's something that I've just recently seen on their Just Arrived section. It is by the brand Rowan Beauty, I believe it's pronounced, and they have some eyeshadow palettes, and they have like some super sparkly single eyeshadows, and I want those so bad. But since the sale has started, it's sold out and I can't get my hands on it. But everything looks kind of sparkly and neutrally like right up my alley of something that I would use all of the time, and it looks like a cool new brand. I've not seen anybody talk about it, but I definitely want to get my hands on that, and I want to check it out. I want to try it. So let me know if you all have tried anything from them. I definitely want to buy them when they come back in stock, which I'm sure they will after the sale is over. Cicely Paris has come out with a new foundation. This one is called the Phyto Tints Ultra Eclat Oil-Free Foundation. If I can go in the store and see what these foundations look like and I can pick a color, then that may be something that I purchased, because I currently don't own anything by Cicely. It's a brand that I have been wanting to dive into. And you know, foundations are all the rage right now, so every brand is coming out with a new foundation, and I'm open to trying different formulas. So that may be my first venture into the brand. So that's everything that I see that is coming out right now. Today is August 22nd. I'm sure tomorrow it'll be 13 new launches, namely new foundation collection launches. So as of today, that's everything that I see that is new that I haven't already talked about on my channel, because you all already know I stay up on the new stuff. So it's not like I'm too behind to have too much in this video, because I cover all of my bases with you all and I try to keep it up to date. So if there's anything else that's coming out that you guys want me to talk about, make sure you let me know down in the comments section. If I talked about something in this video where I said I was going to say bye to it and you're like, no, please do that video, let me know. And if enough of you all want to see that, then I will reconsider, because I'm flexible like that. I'm all about what you want to see on this channel. So let me know, and let's just go ahead and gear up for holiday launches, because summer has been crazy and I can't even imagine what the holiday season is about to be like. If you guys want to see a tutorial for this look, I did it. It is a look using the new Juvia's Place X Fumi collection. I will have it linked down below. But let me go ahead and go and start editing this video and work on one of my Filt'r foundation videos that I have to do for you guys. So I will talk to you all in my next one. And I can't wait to see what's on your shopping list. So, smooches. Bye.